right, man. Woo, we're headed in.
We're doing it.
We're in. We've been going for about an hour. Left the car about 7:45, and it is freaking beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. Thanks to Bob and his good call to come up here, and good call for hiking in late.
So nice out right now.
Oh, it's warm. We're both sweating bad, but it would be way worse in the middle of the day. So, hour or two to go, but we're getting there, man. So we're gonna be looking for bears in the morning. We'll get you some more footage here in a bit. You can't see it on here, but we're getting up there, and it's a beautiful night. I don't even know what time it is, how long we've been hiking, but probably a couple hours. Bob just, I was up taking care of some business, and Bob just started hollering. And probably about 500 and some yards away, there's a cinnamon black bear over there.
Actually, you know what? I think we might have, if we go down here, we'll have to check it out. If we drop down, you see the couple dead trees down the very bottom here? Come up along that little rock slab. There's a little
I see the peak.
rock. There's a little cliff right there.
Might be able to shoot him right from there.
I think we can shoot straight across.
Probably a couple hundred yards, if that. Not even that. Yeah,
maybe.
it's not very far.
But we'll be able to get the visual from there if he stays. Oh, yeah, dude. But if we get into the trees, then that's where it's going to be trouble.
Yeah. All right.
Spotted our first bear August 1st. Chris and Bob heading in to get close to a beautiful cinnamon colored bear. It's at 650 yards right now. We're going to close it to about 150, 200 if we can.
Well, we spotted bear number 2 this morning, and he's kind of heading into an area that we might be able to get at him. So we dropped down, lost a bunch of elevation, and are trying to get over on him down in this bowl. See if he pops out in the right place. That's one thing about hunting up here is you better be prepared to move and be in some type of condition to get after them when you need to, because it is steep, rugged country, and it's warm. Kind of gives you an idea how high we are, that there's this much snow up here. We stalked in, spotted a bear this morning from camp at about 660 yards down in a bowl. We watched him for a while, and he started heading up out of the bowl. So we decided to make a hump over to the big basin, and he was kind of wrapping around this knob, coming around like this way, and so we decided to come over here and see if we could cut him off, hoping he'll come in to this basin that I just showed you. So we're hoping he'll wrap around the knob and come in here. That way I can get a pretty close shot on him. I'm a little leery about shooting all the way across to way over there, just because I know I can make the shot. It's not actually too far, but you know, on a bear, I want to break him down quick. And we're stalking in on that bear. Started coming up this way, across the canyon. It's heading up this way, so we're trying to hope he's gonna come up one of these meadows. So we're gonna sit on one of these meadows and try to shoot him.
Yeah, we dropped down in here a ways.
It's so easy to lose it.
I know it.
It's 200 yards.
Okay,
Should I shoot him?
do it.
Right,
He's moving, quick, moving.
I know.
If it doesn't look good,
No, I'm not gonna take
hold,
it.
hold, right there. Hold on. He's moving down and
Yeah, I don't want to rush it. He's going back down in that hole.
Damn.
I had him broadside.
There he is.
You see him?
He's at the bottom.
Moving.
If he's still.
Damn it, dude. How did he bust us?
Scoot,
Scoot left a little.
he's behind those tall trees.
I see him.
That's a long downhill shot.
Yeah.
You sure you want to?
No, I don't. When he was up here, I had him broadside, but I didn't know the range, and I was like, I think I might. How did he bust us?
He heard us.
He was up here, and as soon as I peeked over that edge, he was already running down.
Yeah.
And so he just busted out of here and was headed up, and we just, he just heard us. I guess he heard us because he didn't smell us.
What do you
he's
say to your first bear hunt there?
Oh, bro, insane. What a rush, man. He's a fat bear. He's fat and he is beautiful. He's like a dark on the bottom. He's like I guess like what they call a color phase bear. Oh, he's pretty. Man, he was hip to us though. I thought we'd catch him dead to rights in here.
Yeah.
And he just must have fed out in our time coming over and hurt us. I can't believe it hurt us though, man. We were like,
I think that last little bit, like right here where we stopped,
yeah,
I think there was just enough pausing or whatever.
yeah, it could have been. Good spot, dude.
Yeah.
That's freaking awesome.
Ow.
First thing this morning. That's so much fun. Yeah. All right, it's the last morning here. Me and Bob are up on top of the mountain at our bear perch, looking over the draws. You just saw the footage of us going after that cinnamon bear again, and he just put the slip on us. Again.
Close.
Yeah.
That close.
I mean, we saw him. I peeled off a layer, and I may have taken a little bit too long, and he saw something he didn't like, and he headed downhill, and I could have shot him at like 200 yards. He stopped for a minute broadside, but I wasn't going to rush the shot. So But it was a great morning. I mean, first thing this morning, Bob spots him and the game on. You know, we just bailed off that hill, and well, we're saying goodbye to our home for the last few days. Got the tents all packed up, packs are loaded, getting ready to head up to the top there, and then we'll start heading down. Can't see because of the fog, but all the way down to the bottom. So it's a 6-mile hike out. We didn't get a bear, but we gave him hell. We came really close, so we'll be back again. First bear hunt for me, first backpack hunt, lots of firsts. So it was an awesome trip.